We have news about Agile Operations Business Unit. Right now we're going to talk about some of the things happening around cloud and hybrid IT infrastructures. With me, I have today David Linthicum. He's a renowned cloud blogger, recently ranked #1 influencer on cloud computing by Apollo Research. Dave, thank you for joining us.
Well, thank you for inviting me. It's a great show.
Yeah. What do you think about CA World so far?
I'm always blown away with CA World, and you guys always outdo the previous year, and this is outdoing the previous year. So the amount of information around here, the infrastructure, the snacks, the people, I was just happy to be here and learning as much as I can about the CA technology as well as the technology space in general. And so it was great in terms of what detail you guys provide and how helpful you are to your end users.
Okay, great. So I know you did a session around best practices for managing hybrid cloud and hybrid IT infrastructures. For those of us who couldn't come to CA World, what would be the one key takeaway from your session?
That's about removing yourself from the complexity of hybrid and multi-clouds. What we're doing right now is building silos in and outside of companies, and we're losing sight of how to manage those silos. So we have AWS and Microsoft and all our traditional systems and private clouds, and certainly IoT's in the mix, and now we have machine learning and big data systems, and the ability to manage those things is growing way out of control. And so in other words, you have to understand that complexity doesn't need to be your problem. You need to remove yourself from the underlying complexity, whether it's in the cloud or not, and put a very good layer of management technology to automate that and abstract you away from having to deal with that stuff. And we're at the tipping point now where we're just getting so much stuff in there, we can't possibly manage it ourselves. We have to have automated tools and technology to make it work.
Great. So speaking of tools and technologies, you had a chance to look at some of the CA solutions. Are there any top picks?
Unified Infrastructure Manager, man, I love that thing. That thing's awesome. So in other words, it's got the hooks into all the various cloud providers as well as the on-premise systems, and I saw the roadmap today of what you guys are looking to do, including the operational intelligence piece, and really kind of taking it to the next level. So you guys are being not only practical in terms of what you're managing today, but also looking to the future and being innovative in terms of how you're going to drive the next generation technology. So it's absolutely something, if you're looking at managing cloud-based systems and on-premise-based systems and something that has a holistic value for your enterprise, that should be your first stop.
Great, thanks Dave. Thank you everyone for joining us. Do try out our new SaaS-based digital experience monitoring solution. Please visit ca.com/DXI. Thank you.